Hello, Nick Tripoli.
Hey Nick, what's going on, man? This is Tyler. I was texting you a little bit ago.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
just wanted to hop on the line. How's your Saturday going, man?
Hot. How about yours?
I just got back from the gym. I'm sitting outside right now trying to sunbathe a little bit, so I'm sweating.
Yeah, right.
But
Good for you, right?
yeah, exactly. Get the toxins out, right?
Exactly.
I just wanted to
How can I
reach
help you?
out. Yeah, because I'm an investor out here in Pinellas County. That's kind of my main market, but I live over here in Oldsmar. Um,
Okay.
my team and I were kind of looking for some properties around the Tampa Bay area, and we've been finding more opportunities in like Hillsborough County. Like we just got one in Claire Mel. I'm not sure if you know where that's at.
Yeah, I
Um,
do. Yeah.
I just wanted to see if you, by chance, ever come across anything that might need a little bit of love, or is just kind of in original condition. Um, because right now we're trying to buy at least 3 properties a month right now between us and a couple of our partners.
Okay. So, are you looking to stay? Are you looking to do just flips or buy and hold?
So I guess that really depends on that property itself. So we've started kind of dabbling into some creative stuff as well, like seller carry, or finding somebody that has some IRA funds that is able to hold a note. So we have a couple of different tools in our tool belt, but flips are definitely kind of the top priority. But if we can find something that's, you know, on creative terms, I would most definitely love to hold on to it and build some equity and get some cash flow.
Okay. Okay. Because I've got a listing right now in Wesley Chapel that would be really good as a rental, and it
Okay.
doesn't really need any work. It's just kind of it's original condition, but it was built in 2014. It's a 3-2. I want to say it's just under 14 or 1,600 square feet. I don't remember offhand. I don't have it in front of me, but that would be a good one for a buy and hold as far as rentals go, because they're building up 54 right now.
Yeah.
They've got like 15 different new build construction properties from D.R. Horton and things like that, all up and down 54, and this is right on 54 as well. So the value is going to continue to climb.
What kind of rent rates are you looking at right now?
So the next door neighbor rents their unit. It's a villa, and the next door neighbor that's attached rents theirs for $2,600 a month.
Okay. And what are you asking price wise?
345.
345 kind of takes us out of we try to stay within the 1% rule.
Right. Okay.
When it comes to buying rentals, especially right now with how expensive it is to hold on to money.
Yeah.
It's just like
Very true.
I would much rather just find some things with cash and get it done quickly.
Okay. Sounds good. So what I'll do is I'll take a look come Monday, because I've got a few properties over here in Tampa Heights. I need to make contact with the owners again then.
Yeah.
And most of them are on like multifamily future use by the city and county.
Oh, sweet.
So, yeah, and they're like older homes. Most of the ones I'm looking at are like 1950s homes that are just single-family homes, but they're lots where you can put, if
An
you really want
ADU.
to crazy, you could level it and you can put like 2 townhomes there or something.
And we have some builders that we partner up with that would definitely be able to entertain that. I'm looking at a plot of land that's 5 acres right now, out in Geneva, a little bit outside of Sanford, and
Okay.
I'm working with the builder, and he wants to build a duplex on it for Airbnbs. So I'm
Nice.
willing to take a look at anything. I've got a pretty decent sized network, so
Okay.
and
Okay.
lately we've been crushing it. So I'd love to build a relationship with you and kind of be your go-to guy.
Absolutely, yeah. Send me a text with your email and like your full buy box, kind of like out there, and I'll set up a search for me.
Okay.
So that I can contact you about stuff.
Yeah, I'll shoot over my contact information right now. If you could, actually, I have your email right now. It's in your signature.
Yeah.
I'll save your email, so if you do send me anything, it
Perfect.
doesn't go to spam.
Perfect. Great.
Perfect, Nick.
Awesome.
Well, I appreciate it, man. Yeah, when it comes to flips, we're typically looking for something that we can make. If it's under 400,000, we're typically trying to make 50 on it.
Okay.
And if it's over 400,000, just because it's a little bit more risk and a little bit more money, we're trying to make at least 60.
Okay.
So
Okay. And that's good for me to know, because I can run the numbers before I even bother you.
yeah, for sure. And just so you know, right now we're typically averaging, like, let's say it's like just a cosmetic flip. All the majors are pretty good. Roof, HVAC's pretty decent. I would say about $40 per square foot. if everything needs to be completely gutted down to the studs, we need a new roof, HVAC on it, we're looking at about $65 per square foot, just so that you have that in your numbers as well. And when it comes to like our holding costs, our marketing costs, and our closing costs and stuff like that, we're pretty much averaging about 8% on the back end.
Okay, great. Good to know.
Awesome, man. Well, I'll shoot over my contact information right now. Hope you enjoy the rest of this hot day, man. Sweat out the toxins.
Yeah, you too. Try not to burn yourself out there.
I'm trying to, the shade is slowly creeping off of my porch and I keep backing up, so I'm about to go inside.
There you go. All right. Well, thanks for giving me a call, Tyler. Appreciate it, man. Hope we get some things working together real soon.
Sounds good, Nick. Nice to talk to you, man. Have a great day.
Nice to talk to you too. You too.
Bye.
Bye.
How to talk to agents.